Tiny and Milo, little adventures, big lessons.
When someone needs a helping hand, we can stop and make a plan. Look around and think it through. There is something we can do. Search high, search low, follow clues and off we go. Side by side we'll find a way. We're working as a team today. Helping hearts and clever eyes, tiny clues can bring surprise. Step by step we solve with care. Showing love is always there. Think and try, don't give up. Fill the day with cheer and luck. When we help, our hearts shine bright, making everything feel right. Search high, search low, follow clues and off we go. Side by side we'll find a way. Working as a team today. A little kind